Coach, leading by 10 points going to the fourth quarter. What exactly happened?
Yeah, after the timeout, I talked to them that they will have that run. And then, sabi ko lang, we need to weather the storm. And we expect naman na it will be a close game down the stretch. I think ang sinabi ko lang is like, they are executing very well yung Ginebra down the stretch on the last 3 minutes of the game. And we have some mistake, bad decision nung huli. So, I think we need to, kumbaga, strengthen yung half court and execution namin, defensively and offensively.
Coach, pansin din namin down the stretch, parang ginamit niyo rin si William Navarro. Kumusta yung progress niya in terms of gelling
Yeah,
system?
It will be a process. Nakita niyo naman, wala pang gel talaga. Hindi pa yung chemistry, medyo malayo pa. But we expect naman na medyo mag-a-adjust talaga siya. And hopefully, when the playoff starts, medyo maganda na yung tatakbuhin ng chemistry with Will. Nakailang tatlong practice lang sa amin. So siguro magiging maganda naman yan after few days.
Coach, medyo didikit-dikit na sa standings sa top 4. Kung nanalo sana kayo, medyo nakakala ko kayo.
Cannot dwell on this one. Sabi ko lang sa kanila, we need to siguro tingnan yung mga game namin until 12 o'clock is tonight, and then tomorrow we will focus on NLEX na on our next game. Still yung destiny namin, yung chance namin to have a twice to beat advantage, nasa kamay pa naman namin.
Big game sa Friday, NLEX.
Yeah. Sa big game, I think kahit ata kami, no? So we will try to prepare for that game.
Coach, gano'n na importante yung magandang start nyo sa conference ito kasi kahit natalo kayo.
Yeah, very important. So at least kahit pa paano naka-pondo kami. Kasi last conference, medyo hirap talaga kami. So naghahabol kami sa dulo. But now I think at least kami sure for quarterfinals. Yun na lang incentives ang hinahabol namin. So but we will go for it. Paghahandaan namin yun para makuha namin.
Thanks,
Salamat.
Coach.
Thank you.